Hey Sagittarius, welcome to the weekly reading. This is going to be your 14th to the 20th of January. And first, we have to look on your relationship sector. Then, we have to pull some oracle messages to clarify. And we're going to have to look on your career, financial sector, right? So, let's see, Sagittarius, what's coming for you in your relationship sector, right? If this resonates, please hit the subscription button and the red bell icon for the notification and updates, right? So let's see, your overall message is Three of Wands. So you have maybe some kind of some path, or you may have some decision to make, right? You have choices to make, right? So let's start what's going on in your relationship sector. Just cut the deck. Okay. So in the relationship sector, okay, you have two, the Tower and the Sun, right? So something unexpected is coming in your way. It could be the Sun is here, it could be the Leo energy or your energy too, right? So what I feel like, there is some unexpected events or opportunity is coming for you, right? And I see that you have lots of abundance, joy, prosperity too. Great week, right? So let's clarify, the Sun is here. Why the Sun is here? High Priestess, Empress, oh my god, all are major arcanas what I see. So you are tap into your intuition with this High Priestess, or you may be dealing with Taurus, Pisces energy, and Scorpio too, or you could be dealing with the Empress, right? So you are in your powers by tapping your into your intuition with this High Priestess, and the Empress is here, right? For some of you, I feel like there may be childbirth in this week, or you may be pregnant, getting pregnant in this week. So congratulations with this Empress here, right? So let's clarify, the Tower is here. This is I feel like for some of you, this is an unexpected thing that you are getting pregnant in this week, or there's a great news. The Sun is here. It could be the Leo energy or Leo birth sign, right? The child may be the Leo energy in there. This is what I feel like. Yeah, this is the unexpected news about getting pregnant. So congratulations, Sagittarius, for lots of you. Okay. For lots of you, I feel like you're standing in your ground and you are nurturing yourself, and you maybe tap into your intuition with this great potential, joy, abundance is coming for you, or you may be, there may be unexpected good opportunities that's coming for you. Okay. So let's see what else for Sagittarius for the week. What else for Sagittarius for the week? Four of Swords. Okay. Four of Wands, beautiful. Four is for numerology, is the growth is here. And I feel like you may be tapping into your intuition. Yeah, you may be, for lots of you may be resting, and there is some kind of celebration is coming for you. Or here is the Four of Wands, right? Four of Wands and the Four of Swords. Definitely a growth is here in your heart. The growth is here in your in this week, right? And I feel like for lots of you, you may be getting married, and this is a long-term partnership is coming for you, or you already meet this person, right? You may be dealing with this person, or especially for those are, I see the childbirth is here. So I feel like it's a long-term potential partnership. You are getting married with this week if you are planning, or for some of you, if you are not having such kind of thing in this week. So I see that there may be Leo energy, strong Leo, and it could be the Taurus is coming in your life, right? Which leads to something beautiful, childbirth and wedding ceremony, what I see that, right? Five of Wands. Yeah. For lots of you, I feel like 10 of Swords. Okay. So lots of you, I feel like in the past, recent past, I see that people may be backstabbing you, or in your relationship sector, I see that Eight of Wands. Right. Definitely there is a new prosperity, and communication is the major key, right? For some of you, if you're not having that married, if you're not having any relationship type, and if you are not pregnant, what I see that there may be a new relationship is coming for you, or you may be separate yourself by backstabbing people. So lots of you, I see that you may be letting go that toxicity, that backstabbing people in the past, right? These are the backstabbing people with the Ten of Swords. In this relationship sector, I feel like you may be dealing with somebody. It could be the Leo energy, and it could be the Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini energy, right? And I see that lots of you, this person may be backstabbing you in the back, cheating, lying, deception, and some kind of hiding a secret behind your back, right? So you have to letting go this toxicity with the five of wands. You already did that because you are the sun, because you are tapped into your intuition and having this beautiful beginning with your life, right? The sun is here. It gives the abundance, joy, fulfillment in your some kind of way, right? And I feel like for lots of you there may be a page, knight of wands. Yeah, for lots of you I see that you have lots of options is coming for you if you are single, right? If you're not dealing with somebody else, you are resting, and there may be a long-term potential coming. You have lots of potential partnership is coming for you, and it leads to something very beautiful. It leads to a solid commitment, what you see that. Okay, so let's clarify with the oracle messages. Let's see. Okay, bottom of the deck you have heartbroken, deeply hurt, sad, separation, breakup, feeling lost, grieving, mourning. Definitely I told you, maybe people backstabbing you or the person backstabbing you, and you are letting go this toxicity in your life. And that's why you are self-intelligence, focus on self-worth, time to heal, shadow work, and self-appreciation. Self-appreciation with the sun and the empress. So what I feel like, you are nurturing yourself, you stand in your power, definitely, and very beautiful energy is coming in your way. So you have to stand firm in your present situation. And definitely, I told you there is a new prospectus is coming for you. Here is the date. Meeting someone new, dating, get back out there, plan and set a date, right? Get back out there means you have to get out from this toxicity, the five of wands energy and the 10 of swords energy, right? And there is a new beginning, or the new person is coming in your way, right? So self-care is the major focus in this week. So talking, interested, conversing more, text, call, email, awaited message arrives and hovering. For some of you, I feel like there may be a heartbreak in the past with this 10 of swords and 5 of wands. So I say that there may be a past person is wanting to coming back in your life. They may be communicating with a text, call, email, or some kind of message is coming for you, right? So be aware of that, because this person I feel like very toxic with the 10 of swords, or you may be heartbroken by this in the recently past, right? So you don't allow this because you letting go this toxicity. And here is the four of wands, and you have other prospectus is coming in your way, beautiful major purpose, right? So let's this, so Sagittarius, this all for the relationship majors, relationship sector. So let's get some messages regarding what's going on in your career, right? Let's get some messages in your career prospectus for you. For the overall message, you have temperance. Yeah, you need to balancing things out in your life, in your career field. I feel like there are lots of chaos or lots of busy schedules for this week, and you have to balance the things out, right? So let's see. My God, what is this? Lots of. What's going on for Sagittarius in their career perspectives, business ventures, right? Lots of. I'll take all of them. Okay. Bottom of the deck, you have four of swords. Again, four of swords. Okay. So in your career field, you have five of swords. For some of you, I see that you have to, yeah, I told you there may be some busy schedule or disagreement between you and your colleagues, that is here. Some time management is required. Although you, for some of you, I say that you may be letting go one job, or you want to switch a job, or you may be relocating, right? The Scorpio energy, eight of swords. Yeah, this situation, the mental chaos is going on in your life, in your mental seven of pentacles and the six of pentacles. Okay, one more, the world. So lots of you, maybe traveling is here, and I feel like for lots of you there may be switching a job or some kind of that. You may be letting go one job and starting a new one, but you have to completing a cycle. The world is here. So I feel like you may be changing a job or the business venture, right? You may starting a job. For lots of you, I see that Wherever in your professional life, I say that there is a mental conflict and chaos going on, which causes you the sleepless night with the Eight of Swords, which causes you some kind of conflict and chaos in your mind, and whatsoever. I see that you have anxiety, worry, and something is going on in your life by due to disagreement, right? And you have to letting go this because death is here. I feel like for lots of you, you maybe resign a job and starting a new one. You put your effort so much in this situation, what was going on in your professional life, right? And I see that this is not the equal give and take situation, because it's completely end the situation. You have to end, yeah, you wanting an ending in this situation, that what was the conflict and chaos going on in your life, which causes you some anxiety, but you have to complete a cycle. The world is here. For some of you, I see that you may be relocating in somewhere to start a new business venture, but you are holding back with the past experience. I feel like Five of Swords. In some kind of metaphorically, you're stressed out about these things, right? Okay, so let's see oracle messages. So try to meditate yourself, doing some yoga, some spiritual path, right? Don't stress out about this. So you have the sword and rose. Clarity, truth, revelation, power, solidarity, force, honor, and protection. Yeah, you have to protect yourself by this type of people. And soulmate, soul connection, partnership, prospectus is coming for you with the world here. New prospectus, right? New opportunity is coming for you, and you have to look on that. And the mask, not showing true feelings, hide, personify, pretend, delete, gaslighting. Yeah, I feel like there may be a lots of fake people around you, maybe your co-worker, your friends, and they are jealous of you for the new opportunity what you have. So you have to letting go and take off the mask of the people, right? So Sagittarius, that's all for this week. I hope it resonated to you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.